Hello YouTube, how's everybody? I am in my daughter's 2012 Prius V, and its maintenance required light just came on, meaning that it will need the oil change. So I'm going to do that for her. I do it every 5,000 miles for her, and this car has 85,000 miles on it, and it runs like new. Oil change for the Prius V is very easy, so if you'd like to see how I do it, please keep watching. To perform the oil change, you need some equipment. First thing you need is around 5 quarts, actually 4.2 quarts of 0W20 oil. And I use Mobile one. I like this one, synthetic. 0W20. And then, of course, you need the filters. And for the Prius V, I got a whole box of it. It's this kind. Show you. Look like that. It has its own washer or O-ring. Here you go. That's for that. Alright. You need some funnels. You need a filter wrench. This one's for Prius V. I got this from eBay. You can buy from eBay online. It fits onto the filter, and you can turn it. You need some wrench handle. This one you need a number 14. I think it's 14 millimeter socket. I got an extension for some washer. And if you don't want to get too dirty, you need some gloves, some paper towel. You also need some buckets to catch the oil. I use this. So I have parked her car on my driveway, and to make things easier, I drive the car onto these ramps. My driveway is slightly inclined this way, so putting it on the ramp makes it perfect. Make it easier to get down under the car also. So I have driven it onto the ramps, and then make sure you put on the handbrake and put on these chucks on both sides. Prevent the car from sliding. Safety is number one. First thing you do is pop up your hood, locate the oil reservoir plug, remove it, take it off. I'll just put it right here for now. And then next thing I need to do is drain the oil. I'm under it right now, so you have to take off these first. You can use a screwdriver. Pop it open and then remove it like that. The fasteners. There's 3 of them. There's one. Here's another. Okay, look. So you just pull the center out, take it out like that. And that's it. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, here's another one. 4 of them. Take that out. And then you can just go this way.
I think
almost impossible to film. Look at the drain plug. Anyway, here it is. Alright, so here's the drain plug right here. Make sure you put the bucket under it and start loosening it. Okay, once you loosen, you can use your hand. Let the oil drain out. Here's a drain plug. Take out the old washer, put a new one on. Sometimes the old washer is stuck on the reservoir, so make sure you get that off. Okay? Okay, now I'm gonna put the drain plug back on with the washer. Wipe it a little bit. And then tighten it. And you don't have to tighten too tight. Okay, that should be good. Okay. So here's the drain plug. Here's a filter housing, and you want to use the filter wrench. Use this one and fit onto it like that, and use a wrench to loosen this one. Now it's loosened. It takes many turns. Oil will stop dripping out, so be careful. Okay, it'll take many turns, and oil will stop dripping out. Okay, see? You filming this? Mm-hmm. Take that off. Okay. Turn the oil off. Okay. Take the new filter out. And that's the O-ring. Take the O-ring out. Okay, put it aside. Now, take out the old one. Put the new one on. Any direction. Put that on there like that. Take the O-ring out. Take the old O-ring out. Put the new one on. Okay, you want to wet it with oil. Okay, so I got a new bottle oil. Wet it with some oil here. Okay, that should be good. I put this back on to facilitate installment. Okay, the oil's new one's in here, although it's dirty now. Okay, so make sure you read this. Make sure the O-rings over here, not over here, not down here. So the O-ring should be right here, not down here. Okay, wipe this clean. Wipe it clean. Now put the housing back with the filter. It will take many turns. Okay, tighten it. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, that's tight enough. Okay, take it off. Now this is on tight. Make sure this is on tight. I think we tightened this one already. So, okay, that's all. Now I can put this back on and put the snap caps and put fasteners on. That's one. Two. Three. There's a three. Okay, what's the other one? Put the funnel on, this one. And 4.2 quarts. So since this is 5 quarts, I'm gonna have a little bit left over inside. .2 quarts. One, two, three, four. So we put in 4. So we need to put it down to here, about like that. So this is 4 quart. This is 5 quart. So down over here, a little bit more. That should be about it. Replace the cap. Here's a dirty oil. What I do is I put it back into this jug, empty jug, and then take it to an auto parts store. And a lot of auto parts stores will let you dump waste oil for free. I'll do that. Don't dump in the drain or trash can. They'll pollute the environment. Now you can take off the chucks and drive down the ramp. Make sure you have the oil already out from under your car. The next step is to turn off the maintenance required light, and you do that by first put the odometer on trip A. So with this right here. So you will toggle between the odometer, trip A, trip B, and blank odometer, trip A. So make sure it's on trip A. See that? And then you turn off the engine, and then when you start, you press this continually. Okay. So I'm going to turn off. Now I'm going to press this, and then power on. Look at that. Look at that. You blink for a while. Okay, maintenance is off. Okay, now what I usually do is drive around the block for a little bit, and then check for leaks, and also check the dipstick level. Should be full, and then you're done. Thank you all for watching.